Let's dive right into this explainer. We're unpacking how AI is completely rewiring your everyday productivity. Flashback to 2016. Imagine hearing you could build complex software instantly without writing a single line of code. You'd probably call that pure science fiction, right? Well, today, it's just our totally normal reality. We've basically traded agonizing manual effort for serious AI acceleration. The workplace has literally shifted overnight. Remember back then? Whipping up one simple report meant surviving a grueling, step-by-step data marathon. One single task could easily eat your entire day, totally bottlenecked by time and available hands. But jump to today. The dreaded blank page is gone, instantly replaced by smart AI drafts. You aren't starting from scratch anymore. Now you're the conductor, using AI to instantly orchestrate workflows. Let's check out some real-world time savings. The sheer difference in speed is absolutely staggering. Drafting a pro email used to eat up 20 minutes. Now, you get perfect drafts in seconds. We've swapped those tedious manual spreadsheet formulas for AI tools that spot complex trends instantly. Projects that once demanded entire teams are now effortlessly tackled by a single AI-assisted creator. Even coding is transformed. AI now suggests precise code snippets and debugs errors in real time. So here's the crucial takeaway. The biggest shift we're seeing right now isn't actually just automation. It's all about amplification. AI doesn't just do tasks for you, it multiplies your own human capability. So who benefits? From analysts to business leaders, literally every profession is leveraging this massive multiplier. Consequently, the most valuable skills have dramatically shifted away from repetitive execution towards critical problem solving. Because look, AI is incredible at generating information, but human judgment still has to dictate the action. Certain things are totally irreplaceable. Even the most advanced AI cannot replicate human empathy or leadership. Ultimately, your true productivity comes down to how effectively you merge your unique creativity with AI. So, I'll leave you with this critical question. Will you work alongside AI to increase your value? Those who adapt won't just save time, they'll create massive opportunities and solve vastly bigger problems. The future isn't human versus AI, it's human plus AI. So, what will you build next?